Hello and welcome back to Dubai Desert Driving Etiquettes and Techniques. This is your host Raimdad, and today I'm going to announce the dates for the upcoming drive. So my friends, you all have been waiting for very long. I have finally got my car, got it modified, and now it's ready for its maiden voyage and me for my maiden voyage in 2.5 years that I have not been in the desert. So I'm very excited. I hope you all are excited. The dates and details, I'm going to disclose it in this video. First of all, you must be wondering what kind of a drive it's going to be. The drive is going to be a FUB drive. It's going to, FUB means at least have 5 to 6 drives under the belt and understand your vehicle and yourself, your skill set. That should be enough. It's not going to be too challenging. In fact, it's going to be more of a scenic drive. So what is required of you to be on this drive? What's required of you is very simple. You need to be at least a FUB level, so you know your vehicle well and everything. You need to have all the equipment on board. What does have all the equipment on board mean? Means the essential tools. Now, this you can get from my video about the essential tools required. So all of these should be present in the car, which means when you're coming for the, if you sign up and if you're coming for the drive, you either have this equipment on board or you'll be able to get it before the drive. Those people can sign up for this drive. And of course, one of the major criteria for this drive would be you have to have a proper four-wheel drive. Saloons and other types of vehicles will not be allowed. So when you're signing up for the drive, make sure you have a proper four-wheel drive, that you have all the equipment on board. If you do not have, I'm sorry, but you'll drive all the way to the meeting point and then you'll be returned only because you are missing some equipment on board. So make sure you have everything on board. And also make sure your recovery points are secure. If you are unable to gauge the strength of your recovery points, take it to a garage of your choice, a mechanic you know, and make sure that they can check and tell you that your toe points in your car are secure. When's the drive gonna be? The more of those details, the meeting point and everything, I'm gonna start a WhatsApp group, and anybody who's joining in, I will add them to the WhatsApp group, and so you will know all the details for the drive beforehand. These are the few things I need to let you know so you can decide if this drive is something which is suitable for you. So drive level will be a FUB. When is the drive going to be? It's going to be on the 21st of October, which is a Saturday. Saturday is an off for most people, and also it's going to be at 7 a.m. Where the meeting point is going to be, it's going to be closer to Dubai and Sharjah. So if you are in an Emirates, which is not close to Dubai or Sharjah, or you cannot reach the meeting point before 7 a.m., we will have future drives. So do not be disappointed. Let people who can join in this drive enjoy this drive by signing up for it. Yes, essentials. Besides carrying all the tools, make sure you carry plenty of water. This is drinking water and also water which is usable just in case the cars heat up or something. So have usable water, have a lot of drinking water. And if you're carrying It's an early morning drive, so if you are carrying breakfast or if you're carrying snacks, carry a little extra for everybody in the convoy. I will be coming up with a video in a few days' time to disclose who are those people who have got into the drive, but they will be notified through WhatsApp as well, and all the details for the drive will be on the WhatsApp. Anything you have, any questions, you have any concerns, you can get back to me on WhatsApp, and I will reply to you on that. I will have to limit the number of cars that I select for this particular drive because I have only about 4 to 5 marshals and crew, so please bear with me on that. So I'm looking forward to meeting you guys in person. You have to, of course, one of the biggest criteria is you must be subscribed to my channel to be able to sign up for the drive. So what is required of you in the comments below, please mention that you want to come for the drive and you are matching all the criteria. Give me 3 details only: name, mobile number, and what car you are driving, along with the model details. So, for example, myself, Rahimdad Kadwani, my mobile number 050-674-9099, and my car type Nissan Pathfinder 2005 model. So I know that you and your car vehicle is capable and you have all the equipment on board. So just mention you have all the equipment on board and these 4 things in the comments below, and I will add you to the WhatsApp group. So until next time, this is your host Rahimdad signing off.